What's going on, guys? Everything's scary. We're back with another video. So I'm here in Burbank right now, and I'm at Bob's Big Boy. I'm gonna have a meal here, and this ain't my first time coming. We've been here, I want to say this is our second time, and it's a damn tasty burger. So I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will show you guys everything cool inside. Hope you guys enjoy it. These are all pretty awesome. I like the Dodger one the most. This is what you ordered, man.
Big Boys double decker with the side of fries.
So we just ordered right now. The food should be here pretty soon, and I'll show you guys everything that I got. We have Caesar salad right here. This thing is huge. So here's what I'm dealing with. I ate most of it. Well, a lot of it's gone. Salad's pretty much done. It's pretty much done over here as well. A lot of French fries left. We will see if I can finish this. I am very full. So here's the aftermath. I'm done. It's over.
I promise I'm gonna eat it.
Alright guys, so we just got done eating. The food's always 10 out of 10. It was really good. I'm so full right now. I gotta walk it off right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, hit the thumbs up. Push the notification bell. And hope you guys enjoy it.